According to expert amateurs, research is the systematic investigation, study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. Research entails studying, organizing, and analyzing data in order to gain a better knowledge of a topic or issue. Unknown questions can be answered through research and knowledge gaps can be filled. Research is beneficial and a reason that it is helpful in fostering critical thinking and analytical skills through hands-on learning, refining academic, career, and personal interests, expanding knowledge and understanding of what children feel outside of the classroom and developing one-on-one connection with distinguished faculty in their field. Those are everything I can share to you all about research. Thank you.
The nature of inquiry. Inquiry is a seeking for truth, information, or knowledge. The information and data pursuit or questioning begins with gathering by applying the different human senses. We are already engaging ourselves into research when we are looking for something, when we are comparing and contrasting things, when we are looking for information, and when we are thinking what people thinking or what. Individuals carry on the process of inquiry from birth till death. Humans are naturally curious about anything and everything. We never stop asking questions about ourselves, others, events, environment, and the world around us.
Experiment in the word let us to understand, confident that through our experiment this type of the research enable you to gather and the depths on the topic that are not well understood. Common equality methods include interviews with open-ended quality conversation, screen in the word, and literal derivative that experiment, extrovert, inquiry, and environment. Literal reviews that is period to convene and the treasure. The quality versus quality.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our topic today is about difference between inquiry and research. When we say inquiry and research, are both seeking for information to have extensive knowledge, while inquiry is an act of asking for information. And research is a systematic investigation into a study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions.
Purpose of research. The purpose of research is to enhance society by advancing knowledge through the development of scientific theories, concepts, and ideas. A purpose research is met through form hypotheses, collecting data, analyzing results, forming conclusions, implementing findings into real-life applications, and forming new research questions.
The importance of research in daily life is that it helps in deciding between right and wrong. It improves judgmental skills. We rapidly tackle the what, when, and why of every situation. It solves the issue of trust readily. After having research, we do not trust someone easily. Nowadays, fake news is spreading widely more than a forest fire. It develops a quality of thinking which differentiates us from other people. It makes learning smoother and very easy. When students study with proper research, their efficiency gets maxed, got its benefits in every field, be it education, business, technology, and etc. It grows our brains and adds daily to our wit. It enhances our practical knowledge and vision of the future. It creates social awareness and society regarding what's going on in the world. And the last, It helps in improving the future of humanity. We can learn from the past and work on our present to improve the forthcoming. Research plays a vital role in achieving and smoothly and efficiently. That's all. Thank you.